Hello everyone, it's Anne. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. So I am excited today, guys, because I'm hosting my first close collaboration, and I've asked some of my beautiful YouTube sisters to join me. Their names are PETAL from PETAL's DIY, Shanna from Shanna Lakale, SHERYL from ISTYLEMYSTYLE, and Ellen from GLAMOUR Ellen, as well as Antoinette from Antoinette's Decorating. And we are the home decor luxe enthusiasts. So today we are bringing you some black and white tablescapes. Petal will be bringing you some beautiful and glamorous DIYs that she loves to share on her channel. Beautiful DIYs. She takes dollar store items, guys, and turns it into glamorous home decor items to style and decorate any space in your home. She's also a really lovely lady that's been supporting my YouTube journey since I first started YouTube. We do talk off camera just to check up on each other, see how each other is doing. Shanna Lakale, one of her videos was recommended to me a while back, and I just started watching her content, and I really love all of her inspirational home decor, cleaning, organizing, and vignettes and different things that she likes to share on her channel. She also loves black and white, just like SHERYL and I love black and white, and she's really a nice lady. We also speak to each other off camera, and they all have beautiful homes. They all bring inspirational content. Ellen, on the other hand, loves to create 3 and 4 beautiful tablescapes. She brings a lot of glamorous loft and family and living room tours, bedroom tours. SHERYL and I, we are lovers of black and white, which we style our homes all year round with a little bit of silvers and grays. Antoinette loves to bring vignettes and all sorts of tablescapes and decorating ideas on her channel. So you're definitely going to be inspired by all of the content that these ladies create on their channel, and I hope I continue to also inspire you guys with all of the content that I share with you here on my channel. So guys, today we are bringing you some black and white. This is a black and white affair, guys, that we're bringing you today. So I hope you get inspired, and I hope you enjoy all of our tablescapes and DIYs. And I hope it gives you some tips to create your own tablescapes in your space for fall 2021. So let's get into what I'm going to share with you. And please check my description box down below, where I have links to all of the lovely ladies' channels, as well as the playlist. You're definitely going to enjoy their content. So make sure to subscribe, turn your bells on for all of our channels. That way you'll always get alerts each and every time we upload videos.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard and you took me by surprise. Oh, there's so many things that I wanna do to you. Can you visualize? It's hard to say all the things I won't do, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I want.
So guys, I have this beautiful glass stand that I picked up from Winners earlier this year. Really pretty, great quality. It's kind of heavy, so I want to create some height for my centerpiece in the middle of the table. So I'm going to place the stand there, and I've created this beautiful arrangement using a dollar store vase, which I did spray paint white inside using some Rust-Oleum primer and paint. And then I've added some floral stems that I got from Michael's. I shared the black and the silver in 2 separate hauls with you guys. And then I also added these beautiful hydrangeas that have a little bit of glitter on them, along with half of it being white, a kind of a whitey creamy color, and then the other half being silver. And even though it's more of a Christmassy type of hydrangea, we're kind of like approaching Christmas, so I think it works really well with my tablescape and the colors. And I just love the textures and the different colors of the arrangement. So I really like how that looks. It really complements the table really well. So what I'll do now is go in with my pumpkins. That gives it that fall look. And then I'll be back to show you guys the finished tablescape.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard and you took me by surprise. Oh, there's so many things that I wanna do. Do you? Can you visualize? It's hard to say all the things I won't do, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I won't do. I'm waiting to let you know how much I want you. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 all that time. Oh, you get what I'm trying to say, 'cause to you I'm an open book. Oh, take your time and read me slowly, baby. Got the hungry look. But it's hard to say all the things I want to, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I want to. I'm waiting to let you know how much I want you. Yeah. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. Yeah, yeah. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 all the time. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la.
Well guys, this is my 2021 fall black and white tablescape, and oh my god guys, I really love how it turned out. I love the layering of the table mats that I created. It just gives a really nice luxe look. So the table mat, I think I mentioned in an earlier clip, I got from Amazon, and the leaf silver one came from I think maybe Dollarama, guys. And they came in a set of 4. And I think I picked these ones up either last year or the year before. But the layering looks really, really beautiful. And like I said, it gives the tablescape a really luxe look. And even with the plates and the salad plate and bowl, even though they are not a set, and the bowl and dinner plate, the patterns are different. They really complement each other and work really, really well. And I just love how they turned out, guys. It looks so pretty. I was so happy when I actually saw these dinner plates in Value Village. I was like, oh my god. I was actually in there a couple of times looking to see if I can find something, because I couldn't find anything else anywhere, and I wanted to bring something a little bit different in my black and white tablescape with you guys, because I do share a lot of black and white, but I wanted to create something a little different. And yeah, so I was so happy when I found this. Now my napkins and napkin rings came from Amazon, and these napkin rings are so cute. I really love the shape of it. They're so pretty. My small black glasses came from Dollar Tree, and I've had those for a while. And then the other ones came from Winners, and I think I picked it up a couple months ago, and I shared it in a different tablescape with you guys. So a lot of the items that you guys see here, I do shop my home, and I just try to maybe add 1 or 2 new things. So that's a really great tip. Always shop your home before going out and buying things, because you never know what you can create with what you already have. And you never know what you can create by just adding maybe 1 or 2 new items. I really love how the centerpiece turned out. It looks so beautiful. The black and silver stems came from, the black ones came from Michael's, and I did share this in a haul maybe 2 weeks ago. And I did also use it in a previous tablescape that I created with, that I did in a collaboration with Glamour Ellen. These silver, I think these are eucalyptus, came from HomeSense in a set of 3. And then these beautiful hydrangeas that are all glittered and glammed out came from HomeSense. I think I picked those up a year ago, and they came in a set of 4. And I think everything just looks so beautiful, guys. The big ceramic pumpkin lights up. You can't really tell because I have my beautiful chandelier that I got from Amazon a year ago. And I also have my ring light on. This came from HomeSense 2 years ago. The 2 little white ones came from Dollarama, and I spray painted them white. These black and white velvet ones came from Amazon in a set of 6 for $39.99. A bit pricey, but I can use them for years and years, you know, creating vignettes and different things with them. And then this cute one was actually yellow, and I spray painted it black, and I painted the stem silver. That came from Winners a year ago, and I really love how it turned out. And I also added some candles. The candle stands, these glass ones, came from Dollarama, and I've actually had these for many years. Dollarama doesn't even carry these anymore. And then the candles came from HomeSense. Yes, guys, and I really love how my table turned out. Please comment down below and let me know what you think of my black and white tablescape. I hope you guys... So guys, before I close out this video, I just wanted to say thank you so much for tuning in and supporting yet another video. To all of my returning family members, to all of my new subscribers, welcome. Thank you so much for joining the family. I hope I continue to inspire you all. And I just want to thank Petal, Shanna, SHERYL, Ellen, and Antoinette for joining me and hosting this beautiful collaboration. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate your friendships here on YouTube and off YouTube. And I hope our videos bring you guys lots of inspiration for the fall season this year. And I hope it motivates you to style and decorate your space. Now, if you are coming from any of my lovely divas channel, here on my channel, I love to share all things home decor, which includes high and low haul videos, DIYs, organizational content, clean and decorate, and all things home decor, and a little bit of lifestyle. So if you enjoy those type of contents, I would love for you to subscribe and double tap your bell to get notified when I upload videos. I want to thank you all for watching. Have a beautiful and blessed weekend, and I love you all for stopping by. Bye.
Oh, I never knew love would